Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage billing in Google AI Studio. This is essential if you want to track your usage, set up payment methods, and ensure uninterrupted access to AI features. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to a studio.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to associate with billing. After signing in, look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see several menu options there. Click on Dashboard, and from the options that appear, select Usage and Billing. This section gives you an overview of how you've been using the service and where you can manage payment details. Now, within the Usage and Billing section, click on Billing. This is where all the financial management happens, including payment methods and billing history. Next, you'll need to navigate to Set up Billing and click on it. This initiates the billing setup process, which is necessary before you can fully utilize all the features of Google AI Studio. A drop-down menu will appear asking you to set up your preferred country. Select your country from the list. This ensures that billing complies with regional payment regulations and currency settings. After selecting your country, click Agree and Continue. This confirms that you accept the terms and conditions associated with billing in your region. Now navigate to Contact Information and click on it. If you already have contact information saved in your Google account, it may auto-populate here. If you need to update or add new information, click Change, then select Add Name and Address. Fill in all the necessary details accurately, as this information will appear on your billing statements. Next, move to the Payment Method section. Here you have a couple of options. You can add a credit or debit card, or you can add a bank account. To do either, click the plus icon. If you're adding a card, provide the necessary information, including the card number and security code. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save Card. This securely stores your payment method for future transactions. After your payment method is saved, click Start Free. This typically activates any free trial or initial credits that Google AI Studio offers, allowing you to explore the platform before charges begin. Now, to manage your billing more comprehensively, head over to the Google Cloud Console. In the console, go to Billing, then select Billing Accounts. This gives you a broader view of all billing activity linked to your Google services. Select your billing account to view detailed options. You can explore transactions to see past charges, check budgets and alerts to monitor spending, or review payment settings to update your payment methods. If you need to link or unlink projects from this billing account, navigate to Projects linked to this billing account. This is useful if you're managing multiple projects and want to control which ones are billed under this account. Finally, it's a good idea to set up budgets to avoid unexpected charges. Click on Budgets and Alerts, then select Create Budget. Here you can configure thresholds and set up alerts that notify you when your spending approaches a certain limit. This proactive step helps you stay on top of your expenses. And that's it. You've successfully set up and learned how to manage billing in Google AI Studio, giving you full control over payments and usage monitoring. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.